Hi guys! Have a nice day everyone. I would like to welcome you at Hidden Farm, located at Bugnay, Hordan, Guimaras. A matter of 15 minutes from provincial capital. By the way, my name is Hernando Saludo and I would like to register my name as a caretaker of this farm. Thank you, sir. Artie! I'm gonna show you different areas and interesting practical farming and selected plants and farm animal. Let's go! Here are our poultry animals as of now. We have chickens, turkeys, and ducks. We use azolla and duckweeds, cassava cubes, shredded coconuts, rice hull, and many other leaves as alternative for feedings. This is our small fish pond. Containing few tilapias. And feed them with floater feeds, azolla, and duckweeds as well. This is our rabbitry. As of now, we have 21 heads. We feed them with pigeon pellets and different kinds of plants that are susceptible for the health. We are collecting the waste to use it as a fertilizer. Precautions and reminders. Never feed them with leaves of potatoes, papayas leaves, philodendron, tomatoes, and do your homework. Search the website that they have the list of plants that are harmful and poisonous to your rabbits. This is our azollas and duckweeds pond. Belongs to aquatic terms, which are beneficial to dairy animals like chicken, ducks, pigs, and tilapias. This is our improvised trellis for sayote and cucumber. These plants are good for diabetic individuals. This chico is marketed using coconut husk. I am also monitoring situations of other plants, such as pomelos, mangosteens, rambutans, lychees, avocado, and many others. And we have also different ornamental flowering plants as well as medicinal plants. This rice stalk is used as mulching to different fruit trees and vegetables and for composting. As you can see, we are putting rice stalks to dragon fruits for mulching purposes. And we are spraying for antifungal using organic solutions. We are tying or fixing the branches and pulling out unnecessary weeds. And now it's time for harvesting. Peanuts can be harvested at least 3 months or 90 to 120 days. As you can see the clusters, it's impressive if we will going to classify the seeds. Most are belongs to large classifications. After we all clean up these, we will undergo selection process to separate the good ones for the next planting season. December and January are the best months to plant again. We don't waste any parts of peanuts. We make sure that even the stalk can be food to poultry and livestock animals. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below kung ano pang gusto nyong malaman. Thanks for watching!